When we started off the fundraising campaign, we were helped by a couple of old boys.
Aitchison runs in our family. Our elders came to Aitchison in 1892.
Historically, there's been a deep relationship. So we want to institutionalize, strengthen and consolidate that relationship.
Not everybody can come to the campus. So we are taking the campus out to them.
Stay connected with Aitchison College. We want that constant connection. In any good educational institution, you have an office which is dedicated to marketing, communication, alumni relations, and fundraising. So when we started off the fundraising campaign, we were helped by a couple of old boys. But to have this go on every year, you need an institutional structure within the school, within the college. And that is where advancement comes in. You know, they have to run continuous campaigns, donor drives. They have to remain in touch with the large alumni body of over 20,000 old boys who are scattered all over, not just in Pakistan, but also abroad.
We have a body that is called ACOBA, that is the Aitchison College Old Boys Association. They have a database. 100% full data that we have is a little over 1,500. Which means there is a huge gap of almost 20,000 alumni whose data needs to be built in. So how do we reach that? Create something that will bring them to you. And what is that something? A sense of ownership, a sense of belonging back with Aitchison today, no matter where you are, no matter what time of the day, and no matter how frequently you want it. Digital world, alumni portal.
It's a constant sort of symbiotic connection which the college has with its alumni network.
I was working in Toronto. Very good job, well settled. I used to come back with family twice a year. I was here and it was month of early April. So I came to Aitchison to visit Aitchison. The bursar was Mr. Iftikhar Malik and the principal was Mr. Shamim Khan. So I knew Mr. Iftikhar Malik very well. He was my father's very good friend. They were together in Godley House. So I came and I met him and he said that, why don't you join Aitchison? What are you doing there? And you know, there are decisions which you don't think and you just respond. And I responded, it will be a player working for the school. Aitchison runs in our family. Our elders came to Aitchison in 1892.
Historically, there's been a deep relationship. So we want to institutionalize, strengthen and consolidate that relationship.
We tried our best to create a user-friendly interface for our alumni. When we started development of the alumni portal, we thought about the requirements and the memories old boys would like to see. Before writing a single code, we thought about Aitchison's legacy, pride and the history.
Not everybody can come to the campus. So we are taking the campus out to them. We are in your homes with you right there. We talk about fundraising. We talk about all the generous contributions that the old boys have given through the years. The old boys pre-partition beyond the border on the other side that we are interviewing. 16 have been identified, 10 have been interviewed. The interviews are on the portal. And finally, we are launching, in commemoration of the 140 years, the first ever fundraising memorabilia drive for Aitchison.
My message to the larger community of Aitchisonians would be that please stay connected with Aitchison College. We now have an alumni portal which is going to give you news of what is happening to Aitchison College. Give back to your institution, learn about the initiatives we have, come have conversations with us. We want to get your ideas, learn from you, learn from your experiences, talk to the boys about what you've been doing, and what you can share with them. So we want that constant connection, and we want to strengthen it, consolidate it, and Aitchison is going to be their home, will remain their home forever, and they're always welcome to come.